C1 earlier today. Now I guess it's time for a C2. 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. As you can see in the background, hardtop. This is a hardtop only car. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy, paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc at all four corners. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bumper up front. As you can see, paint also looks good on this car. Shows well. There's a few little touch-ups here there I'll kind of point out as we go around, but overall paint has a very nice look to it. Almost looks wet, as you can see. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Thin white walls, Corvette wheel covers, and one of my favorite parts of these C2s, of course, the side pipes. So true dual exhaust with those side pipes. Side pipes are baffled. It's a nice sounding car. We're going to start it up at the end of this video. Let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I'll put the hardtop on too so we can see what that looks like on there. Check out the condition. Black interior, of course, center console where that automatic shifter is. Very stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, like I said, start it up, let you hear it run. Of course, you can see there's the little wear area around where the hardtop will sit on there. And when I mentioned a couple little small touch-ups, I'm talking kind of like that right there, if you can see it. Again, nothing real major, just maybe some real small imperfections that have been touched up. Otherwise, like I said, paint shows well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear looks good. Power antenna does work. It has a few catches as it goes down, but I did have the power antenna working. Radio works. If you like Corvettes, no matter what style, whether it's a C1, C2, 3, and on up, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Corvette's one of our better selling models, no doubt about that. Take a look up and down the driver's side. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or, of course, right off our showroom floor if you can come see us in person. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels look good. You're going to be able to see the data tag and the VIN tag underneath the passenger side dash. You'll see that in the still pictures. Want to do any decoding, has had to repaint to red. Black vinyl seats. Look like those are in nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm going to check out those lights. I have had the wipers working. This car always fires up the minute you touch that key. And again, small block Chev power. Battery gauge looks like it's working. Oil pressure up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. I did notice tack works. A little bouncy like so many of them are. Fuel gauge. Clock I know it's in on. Oh, man for man. And how about headlights? get an idea how it sounds. Nice little rumble coming out of that. All right. I did have the headlights open. I'm going to go ahead and click that light on. I did have the rear parking lights on, but let's check out these headlights also. So obviously the headlight doors do open. I'm going to pop that hood so we can check out the engine bay, but check those headlights out a little closer too. So let me pause this a second and I will be back. Underside of the hood, looking nice and clean and tidy there. Here's the engine bay. Stating 327, technician believes it's a rebuilt 350, 327 heads. That was in the notes. So small block Chevy figure. Again, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc. Smooth running, good running car. Did get one of the lights to come on. This one will go back to the technicians. Probably check on those headlights. So heads up on those, but the headlight door's open. Got that going for us. And engine bay from the passenger side. Good looking engine bay too. All right, let me pause this one more time. I'm going to shut everything up here. Hood, we'll get those headlights back down, turn it off, get that hardtop on. Check out the condition of that. And then remember, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. And the hardtop on. So obviously painted to match. Nice fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side windows so you can see how that fits. Nice fit with the side glass. There might be a little touch up here or there on it. But overall, paint shows well. Rear glass. Easy to see through. Rubber moldings down at the bottom look good. And passenger side glass also good. So there you go. Top on. And you'll be able to see top on, top off pictures on our website. And with the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, underside, interior, engine bay. 507-386-1726. Number to call, 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette in red. This is a convertible top. We do have the hardtop on today. Lovely sound to this car, side pipe exhaust. Automatic transmission, shifted right here between the seats, and that makes it easy to drive. Our fuel gauge is showing almost a full tank. The battery is a little above half where it should be. Oil pressure about 55, which is really good. And the water temperature about 150, still warming up. Those are all factory gauges. We do have a factory clock. I don't see the second hand ticking, but clock equipped. FM radio. Is coming in clear. Nice looking bucket seats in this car. Really well mannered car. Well taken care of. Brakes are working as they should. Nice throttle response. And again, it's rumbling nicely. This car corners well. For a 66 Corvette, corners well. the power when you kick it down. That automatic transmission's kicking down as it should. One of the best Corvette body styles. I mean, I can change my mind about that a little bit, but this era is one of my favorites. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this 66 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.